So I was thinking that would be cool if someone were to make a camouflage shed, like a rock, like that. So imagine a big one, and then a tree one too. So it'll be a natural, camouflaged shed, and it'll really be someone's, what is that called? Like someone's, forget the word. Hopefully there's nothing here that will bite me, attack me. See? Let's see this bushy tree right here. What if someone made a shed like that? So on the outside it looks like a tree, but then it'll have a door, maybe no door at all. It'll just be like a way to walk into it, and then you'll go like into a like a bedroom, like your living room type of concept. And then the rock one will be done the same way, but a little bit different, because they'll have the rock, and it'll be like the rock can actually be like a sheet that looks like rock, or it could be like how they make piñatas, kid piñatas, with that type of material. It's basically like cardboard, and then they'll make it look like a rock, but big, like a big one. So yeah, when you go and you see it, no one would even expect that you have a shed there, unless they knew about it. See all this rock like that. But a big one, super huge one. Can't find one that illustrates my example in my mind yet. But I think it would be cool. And then for the military, they can actually be used in national forests, and also in other parts of the world, where they set up camp, and then when someone looks at it, it'll just look like one disguised rock. Like military uses the bushes for their soldiers. See, like right there's a bush, and that bush, it could be artificial, but it's not. But see, someone could be hiding in there. Theoretically speaking. Oh, right here, this one. See how it blends in? So that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Right there. That's exactly what I'm talking about. See, and even like these fake trees, they could be fake and they could be used as a storage unit. Supplies, water, weapons, obviously, supplies. Big old tree fell. But yeah. I think you guys understand what I'm talking about. Even the pine cones. They could be grenades. Disguised as pine cones. Who knows? Anything is possible. See this rock? See how beautiful that looks? Imagine having a shed like that, dude. You wouldn't even have to take care of it outside. You wouldn't even have to paint it. It's beautiful. Yeah, I was thinking like a pine tree for like a canopy, teepee, for the military and for residential use. So instead of having like like an Indian type of teepee, it'll still be structured the same way, but it will look like a pine tree, like that pine tree right there. And then that way, there's less rules and restrictions and regulations and stuff like that. Whoa, look at that. There's a falcon. Look beautiful. It's on top of that tree over there. See this pine tree? See, look at that rock. That's a good example. It could be that's probably like a maybe like a 7 foot 5 foot by 7 foot shed, but it'll be shaped like that, like a rock. See, that type of idea. And you could have them randomly in your yard. And hopefully I don't get shot because I'm crossing the line here. But see, look at this rock. Who knows what's down here? Who knows? I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one that thought about this before. Oh, look at this, guys. That's a dead bird. I think it's the falcon's food. And the falcon is I forgot which tree it landed on. But that thing is huge. Very, very huge. Look at this rock. See, like, oh, you know what else would be good? As a disguise, there's fish in there. But another disguise will be for propane tanks. You can shape it out of a rock. So people would just think it's a rock, but it's not. It won't be. Except the owners. The owners will understand what it is, where it's at, and then some people probably won't be drawn to it or attracted to it. Stuff like that. But yeah, there's fish in this water. I don't know if you guys could see them swimming around. I'm surprised no one's eating this bird. There must be a lot to eat down here. Oh, there it is. Look at it. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It might be a vulture. See right there? It's in the center of the screen. That thing is huge. See, my little BB gun won't be able to take that guy out. I would need a rifle. I would be able to take position right here and calculate everything. And I would have a clear shot. And I would have some scavenger bird meat. Oh, looks like a turkey. Uh-oh, it's moving. See, but that bird that died, I showed you guys right now, that's what's probably bringing this thing over here. But anyway, let me see if I could get closer. It's a pretty steep fall here, but I think I could do it. If I'm gonna put my hand right here and then kick my feet all the way out there. Like that. See? Wouldn't this be cool though? As a shed? I think that would look awesome. Or even this one right here. I guess someone can get used to making them and they could do it cheaply and affordably. Probably with newspaper or something. Anything is possible. It's probably so simple, like building a piñata. Anyone could do it. And I mean anyone. Oh my god. Anyways, that's where I was at down there. This is Ken's property. Woo! I need some pants that will fight off these little things on my pants and my shoelaces. I hate them. I need like a water resistant suit. That would probably work. But yeah. Anyways. This is California territory. Isn't it beautiful? There's a bird up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. In the middle of the screen. See, it's a little woodpecker. Anyways. See, look at, this is another one. The tree, it could be as a container. See, an artificial tree like to have the satellites. That type of idea. And then it has a hole in there. It could be opened like a door. And it could appear like a tree. And then you could store stuff in there. Like a hunting bow or something. If you're a hunter and you have a big property and you want to store stuff without always taking it back and forth, that would be a good idea. And it could be a simple tree like this, something that would cost like 10,000 bucks with a, you know, be a shed. Come on guys, get with the program. This is Ken's house. The creek is dried up now. Ken's temporary address sign. And I'll put these things here. That one. And that one. Made of concrete. Ken's car. Ken's permit stuff. No trespassing sign. And then 13520 Blue Sky Road. And then some of the stuff that I make. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys like these ideas. Share them. Subscribe. Do whatever, you know, you guys feel like doing. You know, enjoy your freaking life. You know, because no one else is going to enjoy it for you. Ciao.